Have you ever stopped to consider the sheer size of our home planet, the Earth? Let's delve into some numbers to truly grasp the enormity of it. The Earth's diameter, the distance from one side to the other, measures around 7,918 miles. That's like driving from New York to Los Angeles and back, not just once but more than 3 times. Now let's consider the Earth's radius, the distance from the center to its surface. It's about 3,959 miles. If you could dig a straight hole through the Earth, you'd need to travel almost 4,000 miles to reach the other side. And what about the Earth's volume? It's a massive 260 billion cubic miles. Imagine trying to fill that with standard-sized soccer balls. You would need approximately 1 septillion, that's a 1 followed by 24 zeros, soccer balls to match the Earth's volume. So, the Earth is quite massive, but how does it compare to our parent star, the Sun? The Sun, our neighborhood star, is not only a source of light and heat, but also an object of immense size. Imagine a ball over 1,000,000 kilometers in diameter. Yes, that's right, the Sun's diameter is over 100 times that of Earth's. It's so large that you could line up more than 100 Earths across its face. And what about its radius? It's a staggering 700,000 kilometers. That's about 200 times the distance from New York to San Francisco. And when it comes to volume, the Sun is a behemoth. It holds a volume of over a nonillion cubic meters. That's a 1 followed by 30 zeros. To put that into perspective, think of a trillion, then a quadrillion, then a quintillion, and keep going. The Sun's size is truly awe-inspiring, but how many Earths could fit inside it? To truly grasp the size difference between Earth and the Sun, consider how many Earths could snugly fit within the Sun. It's a concept that's truly mind-boggling, but science and mathematics provide us with the tools to make such comparisons. Let's start with the basics. The Earth has a diameter of roughly 8,000 miles. In contrast, the Sun boasts a staggering diameter of approximately 860,000 miles. That's over 100 times the size of Earth. But if we're talking about fitting Earths into the Sun, we need to think in terms of volume, not just diameter. Volume is calculated differently for spheres, which both the Earth and Sun essentially are. The formula for the volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. Now if we plug in the numbers for Earth and the Sun, we get a rather large difference in volume. The volume of the Earth clocks in at around 260 billion cubic miles, while the Sun's volume is a staggering 1.4 trillion cubic miles. But how does that translate to the number of Earths fitting into the Sun? Well, if we divide the volume of the Sun by the volume of the Earth, we get our answer. And hold on to your hats because it's quite a number. Over 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. Yes, you heard that right. More than 1 million of our home planet could nestle comfortably within the fiery confines of our closest star. It's a testament to the sheer scale of our universe, a scale that is often hard for us to comprehend. But with the power of mathematics and science, we can begin to understand and appreciate the vastness of the cosmos we inhabit. It's astonishing to think that over 1 million Earths could fit within the Sun. The size comparison between the Earth and the Sun is truly mind-boggling. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Our planet Earth, this colossal home to billions of organisms, is but a speck when compared to the Sun. The Sun's diameter is over 100 times greater than Earth's, and it's so vast that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Now that's a lot to take in. It's difficult to truly grasp the enormity of our Sun, especially when our daily perspective is so Earth-centric. But it's these comparisons, these mind-blowing facts, that remind us of the immense scale of our universe. It underscores our humbling position within the cosmic order of things. So, the next time you find yourself basking in the Sun's warmth, remember this. Remember the Sun's size, its power, and our place within it all. Next time you look up at the Sun, remember just how small we are in this vast universe.